Have you ever wondered if some everyday habits could slowly be slowing down your baby's brain growth without you even realizing it? Today, we're uncovering 5 hidden factors that quietly hold back your little one's brain development and what you can do right now to change it. Hey there, amazing parents and caregivers! Welcome back to Winds of Thought, where we dive deep into what really helps your child thrive. In this video, we'll reveal 5 subtle things that are actually doing harm to your baby's brain growth. Trust me, these aren't the obvious things you might think of. So stick with me and let's get your baby's brain firing on all cylinders. Before we start, if you find this useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Winds of Thought for more eye-opening content just like this. All right, let's jump in. Number 1, too much screen time, too soon. We all love a good distraction once in a while, especially when the baby gets restless. But did you know that early exposure to screens, like tablets, phones, or TVs, can quietly stunt your baby's brain wiring? Studies show that too much passive screen time before age 2 may disrupt language skills and social interaction development. But why is this so damaging? Babies need real-world interaction, eye contact, and responsive communication to build important neural connections. Screens don't offer that back-and-forth exchange, so the brain doesn't get the practice it needs. Is your child getting more screen time than playtime? If yes, it might be time to pull the plug on those devices in favor of hands-on learning and cuddles. Number 2, neglecting responsive communication. Talking, singing, and smiling at your baby are not just cute moments. They're essential brain boosters. Babies' brains grow fastest when caregivers respond promptly to their cries, coos, and gestures. When babies feel heard and understood, it strengthens neural circuitry for language and emotional security. On the flip side, if a baby's attempts to communicate are ignored or delayed consistently, it can slow cognitive development without obvious signs. Have you noticed your baby's babbling and eye contact, but don't always reply? It's these tiny moments of missed connection that add up more than we realize. Number 3, overlooking proper nutrition. Here's a biggie that often flies under the radar. A baby's brain needs a steady supply of key nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and vitamins to create and maintain healthy brain cells. Poor nutrition during infancy can subtly undermine brain growth, even if your baby looks perfectly healthy. Are you providing nutrient-rich breast milk, formula, or baby foods that boost brain power? If your baby's diet is limited or inconsistent, it could be blocking their potential. Number 4, ignoring safe and stimulating play. Playing isn't just fun, it's brain building. But here's the catch. Not all play is created equal. Babies thrive on safe, sensory-rich activities that encourage exploration and motor skills. Think soft toys, textured objects, or peekaboo games. On the other hand, neglect, overstimulation, or unsafe environments disrupt the baby's ability to focus and learn. If toys are missing, or your baby seems bored or overstimulated with what's around, their brain isn't getting the rich input it craves. Are you providing just the right amount of stimulating playtime? It's not about quantity, but quality. Number 5, lack of consistent sleep patterns. Sleep is a secret weapon for healthy brain growth. During those naps and nighttime hours, the brain processes new information, clears toxins, and builds memory pathways. But irregular sleep routines or insufficient sleep quietly hold back cognitive and emotional development. Does your baby have a predictable sleep schedule, or is it all over the place? Creating a calming, consistent bedtime routine, like dim lights, gentle music, or rocking, helps the brain recharge properly. A rested baby is a growing brain's best friend. Wrapping it up, small changes, big impact. So, what can you take away from this? These 5 overlooked challenges, excessive screen time, missed communication, poor nutrition, lack of quality play, and inconsistent sleep, are quietly building walls inside your baby's growing brain. But here's the good news. They're all fixable with a bit of attention and love. Start by swapping screens for snuggles and stories, talking back when your baby babbles, packing brain-boosting meals, creating playful safe spaces, and setting a soothing sleep routine. Are you ready to give your baby's brain the best foundation possible? Before you go, please like this video to help more parents discover these hidden brain growth blockers. And remember to subscribe to Winds of Thought for more insightful parenting tips. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to raising happy, thriving little geniuses. Every small act, a giant step for your baby's brain.